I'm thinking about placing a long if this trade sets up the way I anticipate it to and actually wanted to. Uh, had a 2 point win early this morning, right here, video on that, and then a 3 point loss here. Stupid, just entered way too early, and that's one of my major issues that's causing me to lose money is entering my trade setups too early. If I would have actually, if I would have held it, would have came back into profit, but uh, totally against my rules. But I thought there was a good basing pattern here, and that we were going to take it up, and also based on the, the 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 less and less selling volume leading up to my entry, and all these little red dots are bullish divergences. But anyways, it's almost going to be 7:30 Thursday, March 23rd, and it's going to be there's an oil report coming out at 7:30, so I'm going to hold off until that comes out. That could have an effect on ES because we can seem to be coupled with oil recently. But if I get these across down here, it's going to be cyclical support. It's going to give me something to lean on to take, a long trade possibly. Um, and let's see what else. That's about it. All the other majors have come off their lows too. This is a decent low. Um, so we'll see. I mean, as long as we remain below this single, it's bearish. Not only because it's under the high of the day, but also that single held all yesterday and actually in most of the Globex session as well. But right before the market opened, we sold off to where we opened at now. So that could have been just some kind of news related event or something. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's what I'm eyeballing. Next period just opened up, F period on my profile, and crude report just came out, and I'm just glad I waited for my right entry because we just had a pro bar come in and shoot this market down. Could be just an emotional reaction. Cyclical support's going to print on the 1500 tick bar chart, so if I can get these to print together, we'll be really interested in taking a trade. I may have to. Okay, I'm long. Uh, Holy smokes. Wow. Okay, I don't know exactly what happened. I'm not complaining. I got on right before the market just really ripped to the upside, and actually my Ninja's sputtering right now. It froze up a bit, and I had no idea where I was at in terms of how much profit I was in. But I was glad I was on the right side of that move. Take a look at this. Holy smokes, man! Just a rip. Wow. I don't know where that came from, but these indicators really helped me out. I was waiting patiently. I thought I missed most of this takeoff, but based on everything that I was seeing down here, bullish divergence, this bearish divergence, real close to the zero line, means there's going to be possibly a move in either direction. You just don't really know what, but I was playing off of what was happening this morning along with these pro bars. In my mind was accumulation of long positions, and then this final confirmation was a cyclical support that printed on both charts virtually in the same price level, which reinforces that level as being stronger support. Um, this here is my cumulative delta chart. Not much to show on that, but I just didn't want to hang it off to the side there because you can't see the white leading edge. At any rate, here is what the profile did. Just went immediately got rejected out of yesterday's value area, and again we're still playing around with the ES open here. Um, and For the year 2000, 37.75, immediate rejection. I don't know what that was. That was some kind of emotional knee-jerk reaction, but holy smoke! I mean, I just killed it. I had to kill it at. I didn't even have time to set my target. I manually set those based on the context of surrounding my trade. And when I say, I mean, I was already 2 points in the profit before I even realized what was happening. Cool. All right. Well, that was a what was that? 36, 37. Yeah, it looks like 1.75. Um, yeah. I mean, I was at 2.25 when I clicked the close button to just basically be taken out at market, but I have multiple lots on, and just that's what it cost me. All right, that's it.